We traditionally conclude our honors assembly with the dedication of the yearbook. And at this time, I'd like to conclude our final upper school assembly of the year by asking the yearbook editors to dedicate the yearbook for this school year. So would our editors come up, please? Isa Aribo, Grace Holbrook, Jennifer Lee, and Aaliyah Saksaka.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Isa Aribo, and I, along with Grace Holbrook, Jennifer Lee, and Aaliyah Saksaka, have had the pleasure to serve as co-editors for this year's yearbook. As we reflect on our role, it is important to ask, what does a yearbook do? When you open your yearbook in 20 years, what is your goal? It is to remember, to reflect, to bring you back to a moment in time, to remind you of who you were, what you did, and what choices you made. When we look back, we'll be able to see how we have changed and grown since this moment in our lives.
Each year, the editors have the opportunity to dedicate the yearbook to a member or members of the Academy faculty as a means of honoring their commitment to us and to the school. We are extremely excited to announce that we are dedicating the 24-25 Columbus Academy yearbook to Mr. Compton, who, like a yearbook, has allowed us to reflect on our past, not only as individuals, but as Americans and as global citizens. He encourages us to form our own opinions and ideas rather than taking his word at face value. And he prompts us to always stand up for what we believe in.
Starting at Columbus Academy in 1994, Mr. Compton has been teaching for 31 years. His journey at Academy has been far from conventional. From coaching middle school golf and leading our Model UN club, to previously teaching middle school social studies and coaching a variety of other sports, Mr. Compton has been involved within the community in almost every way you could think of.
Many truly don't understand the difficulty of teaching history. It's a subject that requires careful thought, empathy, and a balance. You have to do your best to share and teach every perspective, not just the dominant narrative, in order to educate with integrity and honesty. That effort plays a vital role not only in helping students understand the past, but also in ensuring that we don't repeat its mistakes. Mr. Compton has taken on that responsibility, encouraging students to think critically and compassionately about our surrounding world.
Mr. Compton is one of those teachers who brings energy and joy into every room he enters. With his constant stream of jokes, he never fails to make students laugh, even extending his kindness to those seniors who held up the bus to DC because they insisted on getting Starbucks first. Over this past year, as we worked to revamp the Model UN regulations, I was continually struck by his genuine dedication, not just to the club, but to each and every student who's a part of it. His upbeat personality and humor create a welcoming, lighthearted atmosphere that makes the school feel like a brighter, more fun place to be.
As an avid member of Model UN since my freshman year, I've had the pleasure of having Mr. Compton as an advisor for 3 years. One extremely funny moment I had with him was when we were on our way to Boston this past year. I had come to the realization that I had overpacked at the airport gate, shocker, and would not be able to carry on my suitcase unless I zipped up the bag extender. Mr. Compton, the last one to board, did his best to help me, even at one point sitting on the suitcase in hopes that it would close. After multiple attempts, the zipper broke. I had to check the bag in with the flight attendant and had to admit defeat. Although he didn't necessarily fix the problem, he was determined and willing to help, and that speaks highly of his character, not only as a teacher, but as a human being as well.
Grace and I were lucky to have Mr. Compton for AP US government classes this year, and it's been such a fun and rewarding experience. Whether it was the class asking you to translate your handwriting or letting me run out to my car in the morning during class to grab the breakfast I somehow forgot every day, you've always put up with our daily shenanigans with patience and humor. Through it all, you've managed to teach us countless valuable lessons, not just about government, but about being thoughtful, curious, and engaged students.
This year has been a whirlwind of stressful applications and exciting accomplishments. But regardless of the outside stressors, your class was something I could always look forward to, even when we were cramming for back-to-back APs. Thank you, Mr. Compton, for being willing to listen, give advice, and for always being someone we can go to if we need a good laugh. Each and every member of the Academy community has been a beneficiary of your kindness and humility. It is a great honor to dedicate the 2024-2025 yearbook to the Mr. Compton.
Thank you.